Good morning. It's 7:45 in the morning and I made a last minute decision to go to Copdock Bike Show. So off we go. I was meant to be there at 8:30. I'm going to be a little bit late, but hopefully it won't be too late to get on the stands. I'm going to see some great bikes on the way. I'm going to take you for a ride around Copdock Show on my bike, see a little bit of fun stuff and take a scenic route back through Debenham and I. Stay tuned for all the fun. And to see if you can spot you or your bike. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you.
Well, I made it! Dave sent me the same place as last year, and I forget every year. Oh well, good excuse to take you for a little ride around, isn't it? Now this year you could camp from Friday night to Sunday, and there was loads of bands and stuff, and I really wanted to come, but obviously I couldn't. Oh look, throttle therapy, that's my little logo, isn't it? Mental health, yeah, female women's initiative, love it. This is great actually because I can't get round this show. I can't walk all the way around. It's too far for me. Now I've got a feeling ours is somewhere just along here because I think we're up there. But I'm going to take you for a ride around first because I can. Stops me, I'll just tell them I'm lost, because it's very believable with me, but actually for once I'm not. Rolling Thunder, yes, supporting veterans, love it. Might come round and have a little chat to them soon.
And just in case you didn't know, I've just back from a 5,000 mile tour to Nordkapp to raise money for an East Anglia homeless veterans charity. You can still sponsor me if you want to. I will put the link in the description below. This is one of the reasons why I'm really struggling at the moment with my fibro.
I look forward to this all year. It's my favourite show. I'm so glad I made it. I knew just getting here would make me feel better. Watch out for the dogs. Chips, no gluten free though. There was one place I could eat one year. I can have a naked burrito. Hopefully they're here this year.
I couldn't find the Mexican, but I did find a lovely curry van with vegan and gluten-free curry. Yum yum.
There's the photographer, gave him a nice little wave as he came in. So you got the wall of death over there, and this is where they do all their stunts, usually the two brothers racing. Blood bikes. Oh, I said I'd do something for them this year and I haven't. Perhaps now I'm going to be home is the year to do it. And very nice.
Right.
This doesn't.
Create like a spider's web.
I can see it looks lovely.
Yeah.
Do you want me in there a bit?
Yeah, you can go there if you want.
But if you're trying to do a spider's web, do you want it all
Pickety.
every other one? Like that?
I wonder what this lot were doing, riding backwards and forwards across the field. And then I saw the football. It was amazing. I loved it. Well, it was another great day at Copdock. I got so engrossed with it all that I forgot to do long ways filming. So it's just all a bit mixed up and eclectic this year. But you can find previous years and more information in my feeds. I'll put it in the description down below. And lots more pictures and stuff on Facebook.
Right. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That Sounds Radio on the left, and both Teresa, the birthday girl, and myself did a little interview with them. So that was quite exciting.
Oh dear, I'm lost again, aren't I? On where I'm supposed to be going. Not this way, I don't think. Oh, that was a great little show anyway. I always get busier in the afternoon. I had someone from the stuff at work come over to me and say, are you Canamgirluk does YouTube? I'm like, yeah. So I'm now going to be looking for two ladies, one, two, to come and do a safety course with me, for me to record. Let me know if you want to join in the fun. Won't be till March next year, so you've got plenty of time to get ready.
But at first I thought, oh no, did I really speed that much in Europe?
Oh yeah, trust me, go the long way out, look. There are lots and lots and lots of bikes here, which is brilliant.
That's about it from me at Copdock this year in 2025. If you want to see my whole route, then stay tuned to my relive. I did take the A1120 going home, and if you want to see more footage of Debenham and then you can click on the link in the description and come and see that little vlog too. All that's left for me to say is ta-ta for now. Ride safe.